battery is an important part of new energy vehicles. Checking the appearance of the power battery is the first step in checking the reliability of power batteries. Today we will take GLEAV 3.0 as an example to learn how to check the appearance of the power battery, including the bolts connecting the battery box to the chassis, the anti-magnetic base, glue of the battery box and other parts. First is the preparation work. The first step is to pull the safety isolation FETs. The second step is to place a high voltage safety sign. The third step is to check the fire extinguisher. The fourth step is to check the tools. The fifth step is to check protective tools. The sixth step is to place the wheel chock. The seventh step is to install the 3-piece set inside and open the engine compartment. The eighth step is to install the 3-piece set outside. After preparing, we perform high voltage power down and lift the vehicle. The first step is to wear insulated gloves. The second step is to disconnect the negative cable. The third step is to disconnect the Huawei. Fourth, measure the battery power. Check if the multimeter is normal. The fifth step is to use a multimeter to measure the voltage. The sixth step is to measure the battery power again. Check if the multimeter is normal. The seventh step is to put an insulating sleeve on the anode to prevent accidental power connection. Wait for 5 minutes to fully discharge the high voltage capacitor inside. 8. Put an insulating rubber sleeve on the high voltage connector. 9. Lift the vehicle. Next we start to check the appearance of each component. Check the bolts fixing the power battery box to the bottom of the vehicle. First, wear goggles and a hard hat. And wear insulated gloves. The second step is to check one by one. Check if the bolts are corroded or damaged. Third, refer to the maintenance manual to confirm the bolt specifications and torque. The fourth step is to select the appropriate tools, including torque wrench sleeve and extension rod. Fifthly, use a torque wrench to check the screws one by one. Torque to meet the standard requirements. Record the data. The sixth step is put away tools. Check the anti-collision glue at the bottom of the battery box. First, check the anti-collision glue at the bottom for any abnormal impact marks. Second, check if there are cracks, aging and damage traces in the anti-collision glue. The third step is to record the data. Check the high voltage connector. First, check the cleanliness of the appearance and whether there is corrosion or damage. Second, hold the high voltage connector to check if the connection is loose. Thirdly, pull out the male plug. Check if the needle of the male plug is broken or loose. The fourth step is to check if the pinholes of the female plug are blocked. Fifth, restore the high voltage connector. The sixth step is to record the data. Check the low voltage connector. First, check the cleanliness, the appearance of the low voltage connector, and whether there is corrosion, damage. The second step is to pull the low voltage connector. Check if the connection is loose. The third step is to pull out the male plug. Check if the male plug's needle is broken or loose. The fourth step is to check if the pinholes of the female plug are blocked. The fifth step is to restore the high voltage connector. 6. Take off the insulating gloves. The seventh step is to record the data. Check the coolant pipe joint. First, put on insulating gloves and pick up a flashlight. The second step is to check the coolant pipe joint for any liquid leakage. The third step is to check if the coolant pipe joint is loose, aging and damage. The fourth step is to record data. Check the grounding. The first step is to check the repair manual to confirm the bolt specifications and torque. The second step is to select the appropriate tools, including torque wrench sleeve and extension rod. The third step is to check if the grounding bolt is corroded. The fourth step is to use a torque wrench and check them one by one, whether the bolt torque meets the standard requirements. The fifth step is to check if the grounding wire is normal. The sixth step is to put away tools. The seventh step is to record the data. Check the anti-collision beam. First, check if the front anti-collision beam is deformed. Check if there are impact marks and corrosion. Second, check the repair manual to confirm the screw specifications and torque. The third step is to select the appropriate tools, including torque wrench sleeve and extension rod. The fourth step is to use a torque wrench to check one by one whether the screw torque meets the standard requirements. Fifthly, tools are collected. The sixth step is to record the data. Lower the vehicle. Second place, the wheel stopper. The in-cabin safety trio is to collect the 3 sets of tools. On-site 5S restoration. The first step is to perform on-site 5S management. Second, collect safety barriers and high-voltage safety signs. That's all for this course. The purpose of checking the appearance of the power battery is to understand the requirements of high-voltage operations and improve safety awareness. Understand the items and requirements of the appearance check. We have learned the inspection methods of parts, such as the bolts connecting the battery box to the vehicle chassis, anti-collision, impact glue. After learning, safety must be the first priority, and then standard operation.